Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Harrison Motoa, and this is Cascope Mombasa. If you're looking for Toyota Sienta, kindly watch this video to the end and get my number located in Mombasa. For the Toyota Sienta, it is a 7-seater and still you can get a 5-seater. For this one, it's a 7-seater 2019 model and it is hybrid. When we talk about hybrid, we are talking about better fuel consumption. We are talking about 23 to 25 kilometer per liter, which to me, I feel it is very impressive. This is a rear view. As you can see, it's very beautiful, clean car. And I want to tell you about the mileage in this car. It is only 30,000 kilometers. Very clean car, hybrid, 7-seater, automatic. This is a perfect car for your business or personal use. Typically, if you have a family of more than 5 people, Toyota Sienta will get you sorted. It has been in the Kenyan market for a very long time, so it is reliable and it gets the work done. Asking price 1.85, you have a deposit of 800, 700. Just call me, you get to yourself this clean unit. We have several others, and the prices ranges from all the way from 1.7 to 1.9. It all depends with things to do with mileage, auction grade, and the trim levels. Kindly reach me on 0741 837373, located in Mombasa. Now this is the interior. Just look how clean it is. So thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I want us to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Thank you.